Safety and reliability are a priority for operators. Ensuring that equipment installed will stand the test of time is important. Any failures in gas lift systems results in reduced production optimization capabilities and expensive shut-in intervention activities. The Adaptive Gas Lift System or AGLS is the result of a collaboration between Emerson and Interval and utilizes field-proven technology qualified to the highest industry standards. The ROXA downhole portfolio from Emerson, with expertise in power, communications, and monitoring capabilities in extreme downhole conditions, has provided world-leading reliability for over 35 years. Interval's gas injection valves are similarly known for their world-class reliability and performance. With the combined experience and expertise of Emerson and Interval, operators can be confident of the quality of their solution when installing the adaptive gas lift system. Further to this, the adaptive gas lift system is the world's first retrievable electric gas lift system. In the event of a failure, retrieving and replacing the adaptive gas lift valve is a straightforward process using the conventional wireline method. To learn more, please contact your local Emerson representative or visit us at emerson.com.